Hi there, students. The going rate, a noun phrase. Okay, the going rate is the normal price that is charged for something. So, what's the going rate for a pint of beer in a British pub nowadays? I think it's about £5. My God. Okay, so, but that's the going rate. That's what's usually charged for it. That's what people normally pay. What's the going rate to rent a two-bedroom flat in this area? Well, the going rate's about €800 a month. Let's see, the going rate for petrol used to, about a year and a half ago was about €1 10, €1 20, but now it's up to like 180 or 190 is now the going rate. So the going rate's the current normal price that is charged for something. The typical cost of something. What's the going rate for a laptop computer? I don't know. I guess the going rate for a run-of-the-mill laptops, maybe €500, something like that. That's the going rate. It's the what is normally charged at a particular time. What's the going rate for English class in internet at the moment? Okay, so the going rate, the current standard price, the current usual price, or the current salary for something. So this guy did a really bad job and he charged me double the going rate, twice the going rate, three times the going rate. So three times the normal price, what is normally charged for something. What's the going rate to pay a babysitter nowadays? I'm not sure. Maybe €10 an hour. This is the normal price. So, as to the origin, well, going, this means to sell or selling. So, for example, in an auction, just before the auctioneer bangs down his gavel, hammer, he says, going, going, bang, gone. So selling, selling, sold. The house next door went for €120,000, was sold for. This this bicycle is going for a song. A phrase meaning very cheap, but selling for a low price. And this is the idea of going. And then the rate, well, the rate is the amount, the price. So in your job, are you paid the going rate, or does your company try to pay you less than the going rate? What's the going rate for an advertising executive nowadays? I don't know. $60,000. No, it's probably more like $80,000 or something like that in the US. That's probably the going rate. So the normal price that is charged for something. Okay, so I think, let's see, formality. I think this is probably, I'd probably give it 4.5 in formality. Definitely use it in an informal conversation. I think in a semi-formal conversation as well. I think in a semi-formal writing, yes, but anything more formal than that, I would probably say the average price or the median price. So the going rate. What's the going rate to rent a billboard? What's the going rate for a hotel room around here? What's the going rate for a 10-year-old Mercedes SL? I haven't a clue. What's the going rate for potatoes? What's the going rate for a plumber at the moment? Well, if you call a plumber out, I guess the going rate's about €40 an hour, €50 an hour, something like that. Well, the going rate also depends where you are. The going rate is different in different countries. But notice the going rate, it's the price at the moment. Notice as well, in economics, you can use going rate pricing. Yeah, as in you price your goods or services at what the market is charging for similar goods or services of a similar quality. Yeah, like that, you know you're going to sell. The art then is keeping your costs low, and like that, you'll make a good margin as well. But so going rate pricing, just pricing things according to what the market is asking for them. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. The going rate.